Hi everyone! Every instruction I share in this video has been validated by the mechanics here with me, so don't worry. We'll solve it together. If the message traction control disabled appears on your Tesla, the first thing is not to panic. Even though it sounds serious, the car is simply telling you, hey, my traction system isn't working, so drive carefully. It's like your Tesla is being protective and saying, I won't let you slip, but I can't help you right now. This message appears because the traction control, which helps prevent the wheels from slipping when accelerating or turning, has been disabled for some reason. When this happens, the car still drives, but you lose that extra stability assistance. You may notice it accelerates differently or feels less planted on the road, especially in curves or on slippery surfaces. Many mechanics say that sometimes this message appears after a software update, after using a supercharger, or even after a long trip. In some cases, simply restarting the car or doing a hard reboot temporarily fixed the issue. This means that often it's just a software glitch or minor bug, not a physical failure. However, other users report that when the message persists, the cause is usually faulty or poorly connected ABS sensors. These sensors tell the car which wheels are spinning faster or slower. If the information doesn't get through correctly, the Tesla disables traction control to protect the system and prevent safety issues. There are also cases where the problem comes from damaged wiring or a low 12-volt battery. Yes, even though your Tesla is electric, the 12-volt battery is still crucial for many safety systems. Some mechanics told me that replacing or recharging that battery fixed several simultaneous errors, including the traction control being disabled.